I catch the beat like a catcher, 100 game, real stepper. She gave me brains, she so clever. I change a nigga like the weather, flow hot like a sweater. Name a nigga, do it better. Tryna stack up all the cheddar, I'm a real go-getter.
Okay, so reason number one, your camera settings, they gotta be right. A lot of people shooting in 30 frames per second, shooting in 60 frames per second. If you want that cinematic, good look to your video, everything's shot in 24 for your performance takes. And your slow motion is shot in 60 frames per second and slowed down in edit. But camera settings, they have to be right. And if you want to know how to fix your camera settings, YouTube. You just go on YouTube, type in how to fix your camera settings for shooting music videos. There's tons of tutorials. There's tons of people talking about it on YouTube. So if you don't know, YouTube's your answer.
Right. Number two. The second reason why, color grade, you know. I know for my first video, I think for all my videos so far, I really never like wanted to learn, or not, I mean, like not wanted to learn, but I kind of wanted to like just put the video out there and not really worry about the color grade. But it makes a big difference.
Huge difference.
Makes it look professional.
I used to have people, you know, comment on my videos below and say, yo, this is sick effects, but like the color's off. And it used to make me so mad because I tried to color it right and I couldn't get it. And then when I started getting better and the color started looking, you know, like it was done well, I noticed a lot of people started, you know, liking my videos and my following, subscribers went up, everything. So color really does matter.
It's a very important thing. It's a good skill to learn. Don't sleep on that skill, you know, color grading. Right. It'll help you in the long run, video-wise, anything you do. So, the third reason why your video may suck, you have way too many effects and not enough B-roll. Way too many effects are just, it's not gonna make the video look good. It's not balanced out. It just has a bunch of shit on the screen. That's basically what it is. If you just have a bunch of shit on the screen, I guess the viewer, the person watching the video is not gonna be able to like.
It's too distracting.
Yeah, it's too distracting. They're not gonna be able to grasp the song in a way, or you know, get lit or do anything. I mean, there's too many effects. Got to balance it out throughout the video, but just don't have like 2 effects and then nothing for the rest of the video and something basic, or just have every single clip as an effect. Have an effect, maybe wait a couple clips or a couple bars, do a transition, then maybe add another effect and change it up.
And it all depends on the type of song it is too, because faster songs have more effects. Slower songs, you can't be throwing a lot of effects on, like an R&B song. It doesn't flow well together.
Exactly.
So
in your B-roll shots, you do want to shoot that in 60 frames per second.
Yep.
You know, slow-mo, stuff like that.
So with B-roll, a good tip for that is to make sure you have enough for every shoot. You don't want to get back and realize you don't have enough B-roll shots. So when you're on set and you're shooting, when you get to the location with the artist, it's just really good to like shoot everything. Shoot the trees, shoot the stop sign, shoot the road, you know, cars going by.
Yeah. Just
shoot everything at that location, get some good B-roll of it, so that when you get back, you got, you know, some stuff to let people know the environment, you know. That's what B-roll really helps out with, letting people know like what it looks like in the area.
Right.
So reason number 4 that your music videos may suck, and I personally know this, going and doing a video shoot and the lighting is horrible. You gotta have good lighting. Lights are not that much. You can get a good set on Amazon for $120. Green screen, backdrops, white drops, and light, like 2 lights with you know, soft boxes. It's really important to have lights. You look at some videos that are done with harsh lights, or like really dark, exposed, like it just doesn't look good. So if you want your music videos to look better, lighting is key.
It's key, especially, you never really know unless like, you know, once you get up there to where you can book appointments for music videos, you're good. But especially like I've had a couple people just hit me up that same night and I'm doing a music video for them I didn't know, and it's at night. So it's kind of key to have a light, because if you're doing it at night, you want to go outside and do it, you're not gonna be able to do it if you don't have a light.
I remember a video that I shot for an artist, Taz, down in Forest City. Shout out to Taz, he's awesome. But yeah, I remember one night I shot a video for him in Forest City, got back, looked at the footage, and like all the clips was too dark. And I tried to raise the exposure, but it just made the clip super grainy and noisy, and it didn't look well because I was having to raise the exposure on every single clip and drop the shadows. So it's very, very important to have good lighting.
Right. It's very important to have good lighting. Yeah, you can always go in there and edit it, but it's not going to look as good unless you have your quality on the camera and everything on like that, already set for it.
Yep.
Another thing, reason number 5, the last reason, just don't rush your editing. Don't feel like you have to make the music video the same day and rush into it. If you take 2 to 3 days editing the video, you'll actually have, like, let's say you edit the video that same night you shot it, you're already ready to edit the music video, you have a bunch of ideas, and then you wait till the next morning or the afternoon or the night when you're editing again, you'll have even more ideas. You'll be thinking about the video the whole time, especially if you're dedicated to it. If you're dedicated to it, you'll have a bunch of ideas. You'll be like thinking, hey, this part right here, it's going to look dope if I do that. So, just don't rush into it. Don't feel like, you just, even if the artists rush you, just tell them, hey, if you want this video done really good, just go at your own pace. But don't take too long. Just don't take a week and a half or 2 weeks. It shouldn't take you that long to do a video.
Anything good, anything done well and done good, it takes time. It can't be rushed. You can't rush a masterpiece. So I know for a fact that the best stuff comes from just playing around with effects and creating different stuff and trying new stuff that I haven't tried before. Yeah. But if I try to rush anything, it's just the colors off, the effects don't flow well.
Right, you're gonna forget something.
Right,
you're gonna forget something. It's not gonna be good.
So never rush your project at all. Take pride in your work.
Never do it.
All right, so that's it, guys. That was 5 reasons why your music videos may suck. And it's your boy Terry Thompson right here with Lifted Empire.
JWOODTV.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Had to put the money in.